Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So who all are too new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, so let's talk about today's topic is EC2 Image Builder. Okay, so let me talk about the points. So what is this EC2 Builder? Okay, so where we can use it. Okay, those are all the points. Okay, so if you wanted to talk about EC2 Builder, so we are going to use it to build and to test and deployment of virtual machine and container images for the AWS. Okay, so we are going to build the AMI. Okay, and we can able to test it out. We can able to deploy into the virtual machines. Okay, and as well as we can create a container images also using EC2 Image Builder. Okay, and easier to automate for EC2 creation, management, and deployment. Okay. And the next point is images that are pre-installed and pre-configured with the software and setting to meet specific IT standard. Okay, some of the few companies they are having some standards. Okay, IT standards. Okay, so we can able to meet that specific IT standards. Okay, and if you wanted to use Amazon EC2 Image Builder, is a no cost. That means it is a free services. You can able to use it. Okay, then let's come to the architecture or more about the documentation, all those things. Okay. So if you wanted to talk about benefits, so here is the all the benefits. It is available from the EC2 Image Builder. And how it is working, if you're able to see the architecture, okay, here is the EC2 Builder. So first it will go for the customize the software and it will install the on the image, then it will go for the secure images with AWS provided, okay, or custom template. Then it will go for the test image. Then it will distribute to the golden images to the any specific regions. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can come to here. You'll get all the doors. Okay. So let's jump into the session. Okay. If you are wanted to go to EC2 Builder, just type it EC2 Image Builder. It will occur. Okay, so once if you're able to see it, okay, so today I'm going to create a Windows Server AMI. Okay, let's talk about Linux also once this is completed. Okay, so first what you need to do, you need to create a image. Okay, so I'll be mentioning Windows Server. Okay, so next you can go for the manual because we are doing as of the manual. If you wanted to schedule it, this is also available. Okay, so next, okay, now we are going for the create a new recipe. That means we need new configuration. That is why we are going to select new recipe. From here output, I'm going to select it AMI. I don't want any Docker images. I want AMI. Okay. So in the below, you can just mention the recipe name. I'm going to mention it Windows Server only, and I'll mention the 0.1. Okay. And base image, I'm going to select it Windows Server here. Okay, so from here there is a Amazon managed AMI. We need to use it. Okay, so if you come to here, you need to use an image based on the above selection. Okay, now I'll go for the 2016 full OS with the latest available. Okay, so I don't want to mention any user data, so I'll be go for next step. And from here, I'm going to use a putty to install it while creating the images. Okay, I don't want any other software to be installed. This is for testing it. If you wanted to use it, many softwares it is available. You can use it. Okay. Now I'll go for the next option. So if you wanted to know what how much space it is required, you can just mention it. So let's mention it as a 50 GB. Okay. Then I'll go for the next option. So from here I'm going with default workflow. Okay. Or if you wanted to create your own workflow, you can able to create it. So from here, there is a three option. One is for create infrastructure configuration using the service default, or use existing infrastructure configuration and create a new infrastructure. Okay. So I'll go with the default one. Okay. Next, from here, I'll go with this is a default setting. Okay. I'll select it default only. So let it create a pipeline. So this will be created pipeline very quickly. Okay, once pipeline is created, you need to run the pipeline. Okay, then once you run it, go inside here also, or you can go to inside here. So it will show that it is building. In the meantime, you can just verify that in the EC2 console, there is a one EC2 instant. It is going to be launched. Okay, see, as of now, it is launching. Okay, then if we come to the workflow, so there is a workflow, it is already mentioned. Okay, so here is the steps. These are all the steps it should be completed. For that, it will take minimum 30 to 1 hour. Okay, so what is this it is doing? So it will launch the build instance, it will apply the build components, it will gather the inventory collection, sanitize the script, and it will run the sys preparation script, and it will create a output, and it will terminate the instance. Okay, these are all the steps need to be completed. Okay, so in the meantime, if you wanted to know the log also, you can come to here, so that it will shows all the logs here. Okay, just make it 1 minute. Okay, so this will be shows all the logs here. Okay, you can verify it. So what we can do till that. Okay, and if you can just verify it, AMI also it is not created as of now. Once all the step is completed, it is going to be created. Okay, this all the steps should be completed. Okay, so let's wait for to complete it. Okay, and you can verify it here also. Come to Windows servers. Okay, is this building, it is going to be completed, then it will go for the testing, then it will create the status. Okay, so let's wait for to come up here. Okay, you can go to here also, and you can go inside here also. You'll see that it is building. Okay, so let's wait for that. So still it is going on building, so let's wait for. Okay, it is okay. So now it is building to, it is coming to testing. Okay, so let's go to the instance and verify that instance is stopped. Okay, and this is also terminated, and testing server it got started as of now. Okay, so build is completed. Now it is doing for the testing. Okay, so let's go and verify that logs also. So the logs also it is saying that it is attempt to create an instance with a different availability zone, or it is creating a testing EC2 machine. So 276 maybe, yeah, it is testing is started. Okay, if you are able to see the logs. Okay, let's go and verify that. Okay, so the AMI also it is available. Okay, that means image it is already created. Okay, so let's wait for to complete testing also. In the meantime, what we can do, let's verify that workflow also. Okay, so I think all workflow got completed. Okay, it will not take too much time. So let's go back to image pipeline. Okay, here it should become success or post. Okay, so let's wait for till this should be come up. Or what we can do, we can just wait for till this server stop status. Okay. So let's wait for to stop this machine, and this becomes the image status it is going to be changed. Okay, so let's verify. Let's wait for that. Okay, so now it is shutting down. So let's go and verify that. So still it is testing is going on. So let's verify the logs also. So let's take it 1 minute. So this is going to be terminated. So let's wait for that to terminate it. 276 it is terminated. That is what the logs it is saying. Okay, 2776. Okay, so build server and test server both it is going to be deleted. Okay, so let's wait for what is the next step. It will be go and it will. So now if you're able to see, it is showing that distributing. Okay, that means it is going to be distributed. So I do not see any workflow here. All it is showing completed only. So we need to verify that image status. Now it is showing image status. Okay, let's verify the. Okay, so image status available. That means AMI image it is already built. Okay, so now image is ready. Okay, now what we can do, we are going to use this same image and I'm going to create a machine. Okay, so we need to verify rate. Okay, I'll just mention test. Okay, so we need to verify the putty is installed or not inside this server. Okay, because we have selected, right? So let's select. So let's create a key pair. I'll make it as a test and I'll be using existing security group. So I'll launch it. So let's wait for to come up this server. Okay, let's close all the logs here. Okay, so let me rewind it what I've done it. So first I've created a pipeline. Okay, so this is a pipeline name. Okay, so once it is created, what I've done it, I've created a pipeline. So once it is created, it is going to be taken step by step. There is a three step. One is for building, one is for testing, one is for distribution. Then it will come to available status. Okay, so this is a version of the images, and this is a log of the images. Okay, what is happening in the background, you can able to see this log group. Okay, from here if you go inside also, so you will get a some 2 3 option, that is output resource. So this is a AMI. From here also you can just click it, it will go to the AMI section. Okay, so this is our AMI. This is the only we are used it. And infrastructure configuration, it will show us the ARN details. If you come to the distribution setting, I think it is not there. Okay, workflow, we already know that. So there is a 7 workflow, it is already there. This is already completed. Okay. So this is how we can able to create a image builder. Okay. So this we have done it Windows server. Okay. So in the next session, I'm going to create a Linux servers. Okay. How we can able to create it. Okay. So till that, what we can do, let's wait. Let's test it. This server putty it is already installed, because when we creating a AMI we have selected putty has to be installed in this machine. Okay, so let's wait for okay, get password. Okay, it will take for 4 minutes. Let's wait for the 4 minutes. So let's verify it. Okay, so now it is showing 2 bar to check is fast. Let's connect server now. Just download it. Okay, let me just get the password first. Just still it is showing 4 minutes left. Let's wait for that. Let's verify now. You can able to get the password or not. Okay, let's copy public, not required. Okay, so now we can able to get the password. Let's decrypt the password. So this is going to be shows the password. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll just copy this DNS to log into the server. Go to MSTSC, that means remote desktop. So let's copy the public copy. Let's paste it. So I'm going to use a different username here, administrator. And then put the password here. Just make it okay. So once we log into the server, we need to just verify that the putty it is installed or not. Okay, because before doing AMI, so we have selected for the putty has to be installed in the AMI or in the servers. Okay, so in the future, okay, you can create a multiple EC2 machines using this machine. Okay, so no need to manually go and install it any softwares. Okay, so let's go to control panel and verify that. Okay, go to the uninstall program. Okay, just refresh it. See the putty, it is already installed. Okay, so this is all about EC2 Image Builder. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll just shut down it server. I'm going to just terminate it. Okay, so this is all about EC2 Image Builder. Okay, so let's come up with a new topic. Okay, so let's terminate it as of now. So do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so see you till tomorrow session, or I will talk about later also the other AMI, how we can able to create it Linux AMIs. Okay, so see you guys. Bye bye.